All right, here's the highlight of today. Well, first of all, we identified an iceberg and we said he's got more than 5 or 600. He did about 2,500. He was showing 100. That's why we knew he had a lot more. The market was just hanging around his price. So we knew he was going to take it out, kept people from getting long too early. Once he gets taken out, and I'm going to fast forward it right there, the market goes back above it, which is bullish. But you don't want to be long when it goes back south through it. You want a couple things. You want the order flow to show you when we could go back up to pick a bottom after the iceberg is filled. The iceberg level in which it was filled is important. That was 17.5 in the S&P. We have a puke tool which shows longs getting out when it gets green like it does right in here. And when we get red to come in, that means shorts are coming in. We want shorts to get stuck to find or pick a bottom. So let's fast forward it. You get longs that puked all in here in this 1 point area and new shorts that came in. And you actually could see my cursor from when we're talking about it in real time pointing these things out. And shorts are coming in right there. We had the longs that puked and it became the bottom. Now, it wasn't a V-shaped bottom. It was a sideways to higher bottom. But the first thing is to keep you from being on the wrong side, continuing to sell it. So if you're not going to pick a bottom, maybe you cover a short if you're short down in here. Maybe you get long if you're bullish looking for a price to qualify. Or maybe you stop getting short because of what I just ran through. We're above that iceberg at 17.5. Longs, who you need in the market to continue lower, puked. You see that at 16 even. If I back it up, it went away because it only holds into this bar for 3 minutes and then it goes away. But the 16 evens had a big, pretty decent long puke. It means less longs in the market, there's less sellers above. And then it got red in here. When it gets red in here, it means more shorts are trying to come in, the little Johnnies, and they're stuck in the hole, and the upside becomes the right side. And you also see it go from green to red. And then as soon as it got above those 20s, took a while, bam, because it was all red in here. We had our next flush higher. I didn't record the first few minutes, but we're getting sometimes every few days a big order to come in right on the open that opens up a long or a short. And he's generally been right every time for the next 30 minutes. But in here, nowhere the shorts are getting in, the longs are getting in, and the longs and shorts are also getting out. That's order flow.